Hey you guys, another headline from Bronco Nation. Now the soft top with the Hardtop Prep Kit order conversion deadline has been extended. Ford sent out the following communication to dealers today that the deadline extended soft top with a Hardtop Prep order kit order conversion encouraged by July the 23rd. Any customers wanting to switch their order to a soft top with a Hardtop Prep Kit is encouraged to make the change by Friday, July the 23rd to be eligible for a selection beginning with September production. No new soft top retail orders will be scheduled for August production. Now, the Hardtop Prep Kit is included on all four-door soft top orders. Effectively, with a September 21 model year production. Now, the kit includes the proper connections for rear windshield wiper and rear defroster, as well as controls needed for these features. Now, scheduled for September production will begin on Thursday, July the 29th. So this is just an update, folks. An update on the soft top with the Hardtop Prep Kit order conversion deadline extended. And this is from Bronco Nation. The deadline is extended soft top with the Hardtop Prep Kit order conversion encouraged by July the 23rd. So just make sure that you make sure that that's in by July the 23rd. The deadline is extended. This is Automotive Reviews, guys, and this Bronco is off the chain. Boy, is this nice. Future times of being outdoors and relaxing and chilling with your loved ones inside your beautiful Bronco. And just hang in there and stay tough and stay alert and stay in touch. This is by Bronco Nation. Scheduling for September production will begin Thursday, July the 29th. Hey, Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. And have a fantastic and awesome day. What an awesome SUV. It's hard to hang up on you guys. Just to continue, just to look at this. Eco mode, slippery, mud, sand, and some people are having issues with the different modes. The only thing I can say is just hang in there. Get your SUV serviced. Make sure everything's up to proper. Remember, we got the first model year. A Automotive Reviews. Thanks for coming by.
Hey you guys, A Automotive Reviews. Remember, like, share, subscribe. And thanks for coming to the channel. I appreciate you. Until then, we out.